What's up, guys? Good morning. We're up early again. Me and Bay are gonna go to a truck show today. And it's from 9 to 3. So we'll show you guys around once we get there and record throughout the day. Show you guys once I'm ready. Show you the fit and everything. So alright guys, just got done getting ready. Nothing crazy. These are what I call my dad pants. I'm wearing this Dragon Ball shirt, see? And then just wearing just a white watch to kind of match it. I'm wearing the Off-White Air Forces. These are super comfy. Now that we're ready, we're gonna start to head out, go pick up Bay. I think after that, we're gonna go get some breakfast before we head to the car show, so she doesn't turn into a zombie. Bring some glasses because it's gonna get pretty sunny out there. I'll keep vlogging through the day, show you guys. So come along. Start heading over to my girlfriend's house. We're at Mickey D's. Don't say anything yet. I don't come here all the time.
We don't come here at all.
No, we never come here, but the one thing that I do like though is their breakfast. Those little sándwiches que tienen, those Egg McMuffins. That's the only thing I get from here because it's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
And they're small.
And we wanted a quick breakfast, so
yeah,
we said McD's.
And then after, we're gonna go get her smoothie from Tropical Smoothie because that's what she wants.
Yeah, I just have to have some energy because then I'll turn zombie Michelle.
I might try a coffee from here even though I've never liked them, but we'll see.
We've secured the bag. Luis got 2 sausage egg McMuffins, and I got an egg McMuffin. Got my smoothie. It took forever. But now we're gonna go find a parking spot, which we think it's gonna be pretty hard. Huh? Probably packed.
Yeah. We'll see. We'll see.
And then we're gonna eat our breakfast, and then we'll show you guys the show. Look at him, he's super excited.
I'm ready.
He's dying inside, but he doesn't show it.
Screaming inside.
Look.
Hijuela.
Babe, I'm sorry. Something tragic happened. I dropped my smoothie all over his car.
It's okay. We were eating on top of the car, and then because the trunk is so round, pues se le resbaló el vaso y se cayó.
Just to go.
But it's okay. Shit's clean, huh? This one right here is hard. Do you like this one?
Yeah.
So you like this one? just got a spider.
Sleep.
Yeah. You like that color? Well, this is your color, huh? That's what you like. Damn. Look at the clear top. What? Mira, ahí dice. I made this one electric. It's fully electric. That's crazy. Color esto también, ¿verdad?
I would want like a light color like that, or like a navy blue.
Say.
Gris.
Silver?
Like silver.
Damn, look.
Dang. Yeah, this is my type of blazer. Is it a blazer?
Yeah.
Dang, it's a bougie.
That's fucking crazy.
You like it so far?
It's very good.
Just, we had to pause for a second because I'm low-key down.
She's turning into a zombie, so we have to come here and get some
Fuel.
some drinks. Because she's slowly dying.
I hate it. I think it's the walking. Ya bajamos la comida.
Marcado aquí.
I know.
Whips. Machine salsa, ¿no?
¿Este qué? Este.
Vamos a ver esta roja esta, mira. Machine 7. ¿Y el estéreo que le pusieron?
I like Ulrich, man.
A few moments later.
Hey vlog. Well, as you can see, it's nighttime. We left the car show because, well, we stayed there for a while, and as you guys saw the clips, but I started feeling like really bad. It's like my sugar levels are very low or something. Cause I don't know, I just couldn't anymore. I was tired. So we came home and we took a nap. But now we're hungry and we're going to my favorite restaurant. I'm just gonna come right now. You're matching me. Oh my god. I was telling them that we left the car show because I didn't feel so good. And I still don't.
What do you mean you still don't?
I feel like because I need food. I feel like my energy literally runs on food. Or like I need to eat more sugar like you said or something. We're going to Sipo's. It's one of my favorite restaurants. Did you like it last time?
Yeah, it's definitely become one of my favorite spots to go to. We'll be there in a few minutes.
We'll show you guys what we get.
Yeah, we'll show you the place. It's really cool.
Just got here.
This weather is perfect.
Yeah, you like this weather, huh?
Sí, nos sentaron adentro esta vez. Y se ve bien bonito.
Got done eating.
Oh, that was the best thing I've had. Now we're going back home.
To rest. Look, here's bread.
In Little Red.
You remember what you got? He got some like gnocchi stuff. And that shit was bomb. Better than the pasta that I got, not gonna lie. I think that's the top one. Here.
I had like papas. It's like papas with like some pedazos de jamón. Like it's not ham, but it tastes like it. Looks like it.
Prosciutto, I think it was.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's like thinner.
I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Oh, here I come.
Whoops.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do.